Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. Today we are here at the famous alley of frozen food guys. Located at Pondok Abang Frozen Mart, 374 Bukit Batok Street 31, unit number 01214. So guys, we are open daily from 8 AM to 6 PM. So whenever you guys require any of Pondok Abang products or our pasar, products that you can use for your home cooking, you can feel free to drop by here. But today I want to show some new kuih products that we have. Come. Okay guys, so this is new to the market. Okay guys, it's kuih talam, assorted kuih talam. So inside there are 6 flavors. Okay, talam keladi, talam durian, talam ubi, seri muka, lapis and kasui. Okay guys, so this is good for 1 year, the shelf life. Okay, it's kept frozen. So how do you want to heat this up? So I recommend you to steam it. I don't recommend you to microwave it. Steam it so that the kuih will become soft. Behind here also it comes with the coconut. Okay guys, shredded coconut here. Okay guys, so how much is it? For this 6, it's only $4. Okay guys, you can drop by and try this out. So for businesses also, if you are a hotel, this is very suitable for you guys, because nowadays for desserts they already put this with chocolate, but this is the Malay style. Okay guys, kuih-kuih Melayu. Okay, kuih-kuih talam Melayu that is suitable for your guests. Okay guys, so for business inquiries you can call us at 62658300, and for our lovely customers, feel free to drop by our Frozen Mart. Okay, still not yet available in our website, but we will be uploading it soon on www.pondokabang.com. So we look forward to serving you authentic Malay food made traditionally.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.